Please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
It was narrated from Abu Hurairah, may Allah be pleased with him, that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "The real Muslim is the one from whose tongue and hand the people are safe, and the believer is the one from whom the people's lives and wealth are safe." This narration is found in Sunan An-Nasi number 4998. Lessons in this narration include: 1. A real Muslim does not hurt other people with their words. If someone says something bad to you, it is best to ignore them. Their words cannot hurt you, but if you say something bad back, then Allah the Exalted will get upset with you. Always speak good or be silent. 2. A real Muslim does not hit others. Getting into fights only leads to trouble with the police, and you might even go to jail. And your friends or gang will not help you against the police. Have you ever seen any person protect their friend from the police? Have you seen any friend go to jail for their friend? Never. They will run away and leave you. So don't fight for your friends in gangs. Don't ruin your life. Stay away from fights. Instead, use your actions to help people. If you do this, Allah the Exalted and people will love you. 3. A true believer is the one who does not steal or misuse other people's property. You wouldn't like it if someone stole or damaged your stuff, so don't do it to others. This is serious. If you do this, then you might get in trouble with the police. It's not worth it. You don't need to steal and misuse other people's things.